Last month, Fox 17 brought you the story of the Sacred Heart of Jesus Catholic Church trying to raise money to save their bells. Ringing out on Grand Rapids' west side since the 1920s, the motors that make them swing and ding are nearly kaput. Now, one West Michigan woman is taking it upon herself to help.
It is very personal. Very personal.
The work Nancy Woodwick does for the unhoused community is close to her heart.
When I was 21, I was homeless. I lived in my car.
Passing out food and these backpacks.
We're down there with the backpacks and the bells are ringing.
Often on Grand Rapids' west side with other members of the AMVETS Post 126.
See, right out of the back of the van. And we're serving food.
Another constant presence out there, the bells ringing out above Sacred Heart Church.
The bells are what bring those people joy, that there's possibly a hope, a future at the end of their tunnel.
So when she saw the church's call for help,
the motors are really at the end of their lifetime and are going to get to a point where they just seize up and stop working.
Nancy once again decided to do what she could.
And so I got in my little bank account and we wrote a check right directly to the church.
$1,000 towards getting the bells updated.
They only need $19,000. That's only 18 more of us.
So the bells can continue ringing out their perpetual sound of hope.
I will not let their church bell not ring. I guarantee you that.
Sacred Heart has launched a fundraising campaign of their own, their Save the Bells effort. We have links up on our website if you'd like to donate. In the studio, Michael Martin, Fox 17 News.